In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate the standard deviation for a set of data. Whenever we're going to be calculating anything, what we need to be doing is entering a formula into Excel. So first, you'll choose the cell within Excel that you want to have that calculation done. And what I normally will do is before I actually enter the formula in a cell either above or near, I will enter some sort of a label for that data so that I know what it is that I'm looking for. So if I'm looking for standard deviation, I'll put a label there, and then right under it is where I'm going to enter the formula for it. Whenever you're going to enter a formula, you go up to this FX button where it says Insert Function and click on that, and it brings up a function wizard. And in there you can always type any kind of thing that you want to help you find the value, the formula that you're looking for. So we're going to type in standard deviation and hit go or enter. And it's going to bring up all the possible standard deviation formulas that you can use. And what you'll want to do is just take a quick look at the definitions here to see which one suits you the best. You'll notice that these first couple all reference some kind of a database of entries that you're going to be looking at, which we don't want. We want to get the values right from this spreadsheet. So as we go down, we'll find that this third one, STDEV, is actually the formula that will work for us best. So now you can either click on OK or double click standard deviation, and that brings up the argument window. This is where we're telling it we want the standard deviation of which values. So from here you can leave this window up, and while these things are still highlighted, we can come back out to our data set to highlight the numbers that we actually want to calculate the standard deviation of. Now as you're using the data sets provided to you on the disk by the book, you'll notice that even though there's multiple different data sets here, this was for the flower example. We had the beehive flowers and then the red flowers, and further down the list is the yellow. So you'll want to be aware of that because we'll need to calculate the standard deviation of each one individually. So we just want the standard deviation of the beehive flowers. So I click in the first cell and hold that down. This is for PC. And drag down until I get to the point that I've highlighted all of the lengths for the beehive flowers. And when I let that go, I'll see that that B2 through B7 is now highlighted. And once I click OK, it's going to give me the standard deviation. It's actually kind of giving me a preview of the standard deviation here anyway. So we click OK, and this standard deviation value is now right here in that cell. We can then repeat this for the red flowers and the yellow flowers. We could either put them all up here, we could put them down. If I wanted to put the red standard deviation down there, however you want to format that is fine.